The pace of technology seems to get faster and faster. It really makes it hard for government agencies to keep up. There are so many different tools out there in the market, and really it is creating a challenge not only on the government side, but also aerospace and defense, as well as commercial. And really, how do we deliver that is being able to leverage tools that actually help accelerate it. As a public service, our focus is not revenue, it's trust. In order to deliver that trust, that is an everyday job. We have to show up every day and be successful in delivering trust to our nation through effective delivery of the mission. And as we look to accelerate, we have to think about how do we create vision? How do we create acceleration? How do we create transparency for the department and agency leaders, as well as the civilian teams, to more effectively leverage technology in a new way? Because if we don't focus on technology, and if it isn't improving our situation, then what are we doing it for? Technology impacts the way we work because it actually gives us a force multiplier. We are able to see more effective delivery to our customers by enabling our employees with the tools that are giving them the ability to automate certain manual functions. We often say that an investment in your employees is an investment in your customers, because essentially there's a correlation between how happy your employees are to how happy or satisfied your customers are. But what we're seeing is a lot of siloed approaches towards delivery of technology. We have point-based apps that are not necessarily solving all the problems and are disjointed from the various use cases that need to be solved. So now you have these siloed applications that you're trying to stitch together, and is really creating a lot of complexity in your ability to deliver on your mission. A great application of workforce innovation is the contact center. Many of us are expecting 24/7 service at all times, because this applies to not only healthcare, but benefits that may be received by some of our men and women in service. The adoption of these services is so important, because when you think about the information that's being received, whether it's your name, your phone number, your email, your marital status, your medical status, all of that needs to be centralized in a customer profile. And once you have that profile, you're able to now segment and do more effective outreach, because you are already accounting for various data points. It may be locality, it may be demographic. And based on that, your messages are more succinct to who's receiving that message. The other aspect is being able to focus on pulling all this information together to get more insights for you to improve the services that you deliver. A lot of times we get stuck in ways that we are not able to shift, but creating a feedback loop based on interactions with our customers actually enhance the experience versus maintaining the status quo. Well, over the past 20 years, Salesforce has been focused on harnessing that to say, how can we develop multiple apps that we have within our platforms or within our environments into one platform? And that's what we focus on as part of our Customer 360 approach. This benefits not only the public sector, also aerospace and defense and commercial, to build multiple apps on one platform that is safe, that is secure, and that is robust to address all the problems and technology needs of many organizations. And the way this is done is by looking at the various use cases and seeing how the platform can deliver on that outcome. So we think about grants management, loan processing, licensing, phishing, permitting. Those things are all part of what the platform can do. And being able to provide a consistent user experience are really what's exciting many of the users of the platform. With over 200,000 customers worldwide, we are able to now take world-class missions and apply a world-class platform that actually delivers outcomes that they didn't see before, which makes us excited to come to work every day.